So now that you've had a think, these are some of the things that you could possibly count in twos. So you could count anything from socks, eyes, wheels, gloves, cards, die, ears, flowers. So on this screen we have a 10 grid and also a number line to 10. And normally when we were using these 10 grids we just add one at a time. So we're counting in ones, but now we're going to be counting twos. So we can move 2 counters. And the girl has done 2 jumps, so that's 2. We've done another 2 jumps there, so we've added another 2 counters. Added another 2 counters, that's another jump, 6, 8, 10. So you can see that we're adding 2, so therefore we have to do 2 jumps. We're counting in twos. So let's have a look at the ducks now. We have a 10 grid again. So we're counting 2, so we've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8. So now I want you to have a go at number 1 on your worksheet.